Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing the workspace and removing magnets or loose items. Once surface debris is gone, test the stainless steel cleaner in an inconspicuous area for 30 to 60 seconds to confirm compatibility. Use a lint-free microfiber dampened with warm water to wipe down oil and fingerprints first. This prevents grit from scratching when you polish. Make sure to follow grain direction from the manufacturer. Doing this reduces swirl marks and gives you a smooth base for the next step. You apply a small, pea-size amount of cleaner to the cloth, not directly to metal, and work in one small section at a time. Once you start, move with the grain using light, even pressure to lift soils without scratching. Use circular motions to emulsify tougher spots, then switch to straight strokes that follow grain lines to align the finish. After cleaning each section, buff immediately with a dry, clean microfiber until no residue remains and a uniform shine appears. This prevents streaks. You complete the job by checking edges, seams, and handles. Use a cotton swab with minimal cleaner for tight spots, then buff dry. Once done, if you encounter persistent discoloration or hard water spots, repeat the cleaner step or apply a non-abrasive paste sparingly. Rinse and dry immediately. If streaks or haze remain, make sure to re-wet the microfiber slightly and buff along the grain until even. This usually clears residues. Troubleshooting tip: avoid abrasive pads, those cause permanent scratches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.